In this video, we're going to identify vertices, foci, and asymptotes of a hyperbola not centered at the origin. It says find the vertices and foci of the hyperbola below. And notice that they have the y value written first. So they have y plus 4 as the first term minus x plus 2 as the second term. So that tells us that we're going to be dealing with a hyperbola that opens up and down. Now I'm going to write down some information that we can use for later. We know the asymptotes are going to be y equals plus and minus a over b, x. We know that the vertices then and the co-vertices, not sure if they're going to ask us. No, they don't ask us for co-vertices, so we'll just go foci. So the vertices are we're going to have to add to the center. And we can actually tell what the center is from this piece. I'll write that up here. The center, this would be -4 for the y value and -2 for the x value. So you have -2, -4. And what we can do now that we've pulled that stuff out, is we can say that we have the center, so the vertices are going to be whatever the h value is. So we're going to start with h, comma, and then we're going to have to add to the k value here because this is the center right there. So we're going to have to add to the k value. So we're going to say k plus a, and then we'll have, and actually we can just say, for this we'll say k plus minus a, like that. And then for the foci, we're going to say the same thing, h, but then we'll have k and plus minus c. Because we have to get the foci, which are right here, and we're going to have to add to the y variable to get there. So now we have enough information written down to find the foci, asymptotes, and the vertices. So let's go ahead and start pulling things out. A squared is equal to 4. So that means a is equal to plus minus 2 if I square root each side. B squared is equal to 77. And if I square root that, that'd be b is equal to root 77. Now I want to find the asymptote, so I'm going to go ahead and do that right now. This would be y is equal to plus and minus, we would say 2 divided by root 77 x. So those are the asymptotes. Let's go ahead and circle that. They don't ask for them, but the overall objective for this is to find asymptotes. We're going to put that in there. And then h, we know to be -2. So we're going to say -2, comma, and then the k value would be -4 plus a, which is 2. And then we're going to have -2, -4 minus 2, which will give you -2, -2, and -2, -6 for the vertices. For the foci, we're going to get h, comma, k. So, we should have wrote the h. Let's write the h, -2, comma, -4, plus minus our c value. Now, we haven't found the c value, but we can do that using this equation. C squared is equal to a squared plus b squared. We can plug 4 in and 77 in, so we get c squared is equal to 4 plus 77, which is c squared equal to 81. I square root each side, I get c is equal to plus and minus 9. So I have plus and minus 9 here. So that's going to give us, for foci, kind of put a line here. This would be -2, comma, -4 plus 9 would be 5. And then -2, -4 minus 9 would be -13. So we have the vertices and the foci and the asymptotes all written on here. which of these would work? So it says the vertices are -2, -6, and -2, -2. That works. -2, -13, -2, 5. It's the fourth option.